Alright guys, today we will going to review on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Its display type is OLED display size is 6.67 inches, refresh rate is 120 Hz, the display resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 1080 and its operating system is Android 12 and GPU is Mali Z68 MC4. Internal storage is 128 GB 256 GB and its RAM is 8 GB 6 GB and 12 GB. Front camera is 16 megapixel wide, back camera is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and its battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Charging is 67-watt wired charger, and its colors are black, blue, white, and violet. And its price is $269. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel must, and also like this video, share these videos to others. So see you in the next video.